Then you have on the lower end the SOM, serviceable and obtainable market. And that's, give you an example. I have here a woman, she is dyslexic. She developed a software technology idea to help dyslexic people to read better. She lives in LA. So her SOM is Southern California, because that's what she can reach within the financial capabilities that if she raises $500,000, then that's the amount of money she has, and she can only reach people here in Southern California. She cannot reach anybody on the East Coast, not day one. That's how she will progress to the serviceable and addressable market. Yeah, and the total addressable market she can never service unless she has millions and millions of dollars and have a whole group of people